Today's my birthday! Oh! Oh! This is gonna be the best day ever! Good morning, Mom!
Good morning, sweetheart.
Good morning, Dad!
Good morning, kiddo. I gotta run.
I'm running late.
Big meeting today.
Oh, okay.
See you tonight.
Wait. He forgot. What's wrong, Lily? Dad forgot my birthday. Are you sure about that? Have a good day at school. I'll try. Everything will be okay. What's wrong? Dad forgot my birthday. Wait, really? What's wrong? Dad forgot my birthday. Wait, really? Maybe he was busy. He didn't even say happy birthday. That's strange.
Everything has to be perfect. Ugh. Big plans tonight? You have no idea.
Maybe your dad has a surprise. I don't think so. You never know. Maybe. Please start your worksheet. Try to focus. I'm trying.
The cake looks perfect. Lily is gonna love this.
Maybe your dad is busy. Maybe. Don't give up yet.
Yes, everything is ready. Don't tell Lily. It's a surprise.
My birthday party was amazing. See? You'll have one too. I don't think so.
Special delivery. Perfect timing. Thank you.
You should smile. Oh. It's hard today. Things can change.
Oh, yeah. Did Lily see anything? Not yet. Good.
Dad isn't here? He's still at work. Oh. Dad is always here. He's having a busy day. I guess.
Everything is on schedule. Just a little longer.
Maybe they planned something. Maybe not. Go relax for a while. Last year was so much fun. Dad never forgot before.
She's gonna love this. Tonight will be special.
Maybe Dad forgot. Maybe birthdays aren't important.
Almost time. Everything is ready.
He's on his way. Good. What are you talking about?
Dad is really late.
Just wait a little longer.
Okay. Who's that? Why don't you see?
Hey, birthday girl.
Dad!
Did you miss me?
I thought you forgot. Never.
Not in a million years.
Close your eyes.
What's happening?
Trust me. Shh.
Look!
Surprise!
Surprise! Wow! This is for me.
I could never forget your birthday.
I love it. Happy birthday, Lily. Make a wish, Lily.
A special birthday wish.
I already have one. Go, Lily. Here I go. Yay!
This one is from me.
Really? Open it. Wow. This is amazing.
I knew you'd love it.
Thank you, Dad. You're welcome, sweetheart. Best birthday ever. This was the best birthday ever.
I'm glad you liked it.
Oh, you deserve it. You really fooled me.
That was the plan. I believed it.
Dad never forgot. I should have trusted him. How was your birthday? You won't believe it. Tell me everything. Wow, that's amazing. Dad planned all of it. I knew it. So your dad never forgot? Not even for a second. That's awesome.
Who wants to share first?
I do.
Go ahead, Lily.
I thought my dad forgot my birthday, but he was planning a surprise. It became my best birthday ever.
Sometimes surprises take patience,
I understand now.
and I'll always love you.
The best gift wasn't the party.
Then what was it?
Having my family with me.